Okay, so we're going to be naming the BDD sample A504010-X12-XML. Now it is important we remember this because we're gonna need to find this file later. Um, okay, and then now we're gonna put a description. So we're gonna say sample of A504010 PO transform into an XML PO. You can put as much as you want or be as brief as you want to be. Then now we hit save. Okay. Um, and there are other things we need to do. Um, so this use for envelope recognition is important. Um, it has a function and it's important to remember. In this case, this is going to be false, but remember this, and I will in future videos, I will tell you what that is, the importance of that. So I believe we have this completed. So we can go ahead and return to start. And then now we're gonna create a map. And we're gonna start. Notice when you hit start, it give you start, source, and target. So we start with the source. We're going to use an existing document definition, and then I'm gonna look real quick at the file that we're gonna be using, which is this one. Um, okay, this is version 4010. Okay, perfect. Um, So we're gonna be needing to use the document definition that came with BizMapper, that is A504010. So here is the X12 A504010. This is the name as it comes from the OpenText support website. When you download it, it's on a zip file, and then you have to import it, and then you select which transactions you want to import. So I already have this. I'm not going to cover that on this video, but just so you know that this is created by OpenText. Then I hit next, and here it is. This is the A50 purchase order version 4010. Used for envelope recognition, I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say true to that. And the reason for that is because this is the source. When the file comes in into Biz Manager, it's going to be looking to match it against something. And because this is the source, and is the file is gonna come from a trading partner outside, we're gonna use this as as an envelope recognition. So when it reads the file, it'll break it down, and then it'll match it to this business document definition. I'll show you that in the future videos when we are talking about the trading partner onboarding and configuration. Then now we do next, continue to the target, and then we're gonna use an existing document definition, and then we do next, and we're gonna be looking for that file that we created that we call sample A504010 X12 to XML. We hit next, and that's it. Continue to map. So here we have the source and the target, and we're ready to start moving from this side to this side. This is called mapping or transformation, and then basically we're going to be going from source to target, source to target. There's two type of links. There's a cardinality link and a map link. A cardinality link, usually I refer to it as a trigger. What it does is it triggers the position on the tag. So if you're gonna come here and you're gonna do, you want to trigger this, I would do a cardinality link, and I could do it like this: create cardinality link. The difference between one link and the other, the cardinality is the dashes, dash, 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 dash. And the link from a field to an actual data field or a tag is just a straight line as such. And notice the check marks. Okay, so we're gonna take we're gonna delete this, and actually, so this what this does is saying, okay, we're gonna start right here. Now I don't want it to start from the ISA because do I want it to? Yes, I do want it to start from the ISA. But here's the ST, so I'm gonna trigger the ST from this ST and create a cardinality link. You need a cardinality link on every single one of these. So this is to this, create cardinality link like so. So every segment that you're gonna be mapping, if you're gonna map something to it, like for example, I'm gonna put E01353, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna map it right here. If I don't have a cardinality link, it will give me an error. So let me hit validate. It says successful. But if I remove this guy and hit validate, oh, it shouldn't be successful. Okay, that's a glitch. But I'll show it to you when I do it. When I go into testing, you'll see that it'll throw an error when I don't have a cardinality link.